In your Blackboard course, if you go down to the Desmos Graph and then click on the graph link, that'll take you to the Desmos Graphing Calculator page. In the upper left-hand corner, that's where you enter your equations. And if you just wanted to enter the basic linear equation of y equals 2x minus 1, in the right-hand margin, you'll see the zoom out and zoom in features. So the negative will zoom out, positive zooms in. The wrench is your graph settings. And I would suggest you just kind of play around a little bit with these. If you click off the grid will disappear. You can change your x and y axes. You can label the axes. So say, for example, you wanted x to be the number of years, and y will just be y. Notice it labels the axes for you. You can go around and change the x-axis as far as what values you want to put in for x or for y. And again, just go through and play around with that. The step, notice if I change the step to 1, notice it changes the minor tick marks on the grid. If you want to graph more than one equation, you go to the second box and click on it. And if I want to graph y equals x squared the exponent is shift 6. So there's x squared. If there was more to graph, like x squared minus 4, you would use your arrow key to scroll out to the right and then enter minus 4. And there's your parabola y equals x squared minus 4. If you wanted to copy and paste this into a Google Doc or a Word document, if you right click and then take a screenshot, you can click on the little happy face there and it'll highlight the whole page there. You can also just highlight whatever portion you want. So if you only wanted a small portion of the graph. Okay, so again, right click, take a screenshot, and I'll copy that much of the graph. So I'll copy it, and notice it says to do Control V to paste. So if I open a Word document, I can press Control V, and it'll bring it into that document. In Microsoft Word, if I go to Page Layout and then Position, just click any position and it'll allow you to move the graph around by clicking on it and dragging it. So then you can type whatever you want in and move the graph to where you want it.